Hello everyone, you're welcome to this class again. My name is John from CyberWatch, and this video is powered by CyberWatch Hive. Today we'll be talking about something that I call match case. Alright, match case. Now match case is an alternative to using many else if statement or elif statements. Okay, it executes executes some codes if a value matches a case. All right, and the benefit is it makes your code cleaner and syntax is more readable. All right, so I have to drop all these things down, okay, so that the class will be very short. Okay, so I will not have a very too long video. All right, so let me uncomment this line now. All right, so okay, let me comment this one back. That's just a comment to know what we're doing here. So if we say we want to know the days of the week, okay, we're going to have something like this. Maybe this is our function, days of the week, okay, and we'll now have day. That's if we want to use else if statements, all right, as we all know already. So days of the week, and inside of the function, parameters will supply day like this, okay. So we'll now do if day, which is this one, we know this already, is equal to 1. Let's return it is Sunday, right? Elif day is equal to 2. Let's return it is Monday. Elif day is equal to 3. Return it is Tuesday. Elif day is equal to 4. Return it is Wednesday. Like that, down to elif day equal to 7. Return it is Saturday. All right, and um, we know that if days is not 1 to 7, we should give the final else. All right, we will now return not a valid day. Okay, let's go ahead and run it. So you see, not a valid day because there's a 20 here already in the day. All right, there's a 20 here already. So if I go ahead and take away these 2 and I run it, you see it is Monday. All right, we check here, 2 is Monday. All right, so if I put 7 or 8, no, 8 will give us the other one. If I put 7 and I run it that way, you see it is Saturday. All right, it is Saturday. So that's what we do when we use the else if statement. All right, if else statement. So let's comment that one out and come to this level now, okay, using match case now. So let's go ahead and uncomment this line. All right, let's uncomment this line. You go down for us a bit, okay. Now this is what we do if we use the match case. All right, we'll now do the same thing. Dev day of the week. All right, we pass in the parameter. All right, I'll now say day. So here we'll now say match day. Okay, we have that one here also. All right, sorry, we have if day from here. Sorry, if day is equal to 1, we start there. But in this case now, using the match case now, we see that we have match day, meaning we are going to check all these things now. Okay, match day. We'll now come here and say case is equal to 1. All right, that's why we say match case. All right, we use match case. All right, so the first one was, now what are we matching for? What are we comparing? What are we checking? We're checking the day, so we'll now say match day. So we'll now come and say case 1, return it is Monday. If case 2, that's if case is 2, right, return it is Tuesday. Most times when I'm even going through this one, the if is still ringing at the back of my head. I don't know about you. If you have the same feelings, okay, or the same sound of if at the back of your mind whenever you're checking the case, the match case or switch case, okay. In other programming language we call it switch. All right, so just let me know, comment in the comment section below, let me know. All right, so case is 3, it is Wednesday. Case 4, Thursday, like that. To case 7, return it is Sunday. But now the final else that we have here, all right, that will bring this one out now is this, all right? Case underscore. This underscore, we call it a wild card, all right? Wild card, like wild card, like this. Okay, we call it a wild card. So it captures if case is not part of all those cases that we've done before, we've dropped here. That will now say not a valid day. So if you come here and drop like 50 and I run it, you see that not a valid day. All right, let's come back here and drop 5. You see it is Friday. All right, it is Friday. If I drop 1 for day, you see it is Monday. All right, so if you go ahead and check this code, all right, this code here, you find out, you notice that this code is neater. All right, it's neater. Now let's even go ahead, take it further and make this code more neater, like neater, like let's make it more better, all right, more perfect. So that's why I now did this very line here. All right, see that it's very short. Okay, so let's come here and uncomment this line. Okay, let's go here and comment out this these lines of code. All right, so the use of or, which is just a stroke down. All right, now we'll now do def day of the week day. All right, now do match day, which we already have here, match day, which is match case. We'll now say case. Now in this level, I decide to now use a string, okay, for the cases, so that we'll see how we can actually use string, we can actually use numbers. And also, mind you, put it at the back of your mind that you can also accept this day that we are putting at the end, okay. When we are calling up the function, we can actually put the days in we'll accept the days from user using inputs, okay, from our users, so that when they enter directly, it goes there. So I want you to go ahead to try out all those things and on your own, okay. Now def day of the week day, match day, we'll now say case. If case is Saturday, like this, or you see this sign is or Sunday, okay. Well, now, sorry, we should have a column, a full column there. We'll now go ahead and do return it's weekend. Case is Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday or Friday. We'll now go ahead and return it's weekend. All right. Now the wildcard will now come here and will also return not a valid day. So if I come here and drop on Monday like this and I run it, you see it's okay. Let's go ahead. See it's weekend. Let's see if it's Monday. Okay, no, it's not weekend. I see it's weekday. Let's say it's weekday. So let's go ahead again and run it. It's weekday, you see. So if I go ahead and drop a if I go ahead and drop a Wednesday here and run it, you say it's weekday. Okay. So what if I drop a Sunday? What if I drop a Sunday? All right, you say it's weekend. Okay, let's go ahead and now drop, maybe we'll make a mistake, okay, and say sun with a double N. All right, we can now check and say not a valid day. You see, so the last case, using the last example here, using the or makes the code neater, shorter. You know, it helps you to write code quickly and all. Okay, so so match case actually is, like I said, is an alternative to using many else if statement. All right, it makes your code cleaner and the syntax more readable. All right, so like I always say, always go ahead and keep practicing. Okay, the more you practice, the better you become. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next class. Bye for now.